Hello there. Let's have a quick technical analysis on Firm Holding. This company will have its earning report after market close. I will show you how to use resistance and supporting line to plan your trading. Alright, let me show you my drawing. This is the weekly chart for AFRM, and you can see that I have already drawn the resistance line and supporting line. And within this range, so you can see the price is just up and down around the range. As long as it's within the range, you can just use your trading strategy with the resistance line. If it's around resistance line, you can short it there, right? If it's around the supporting line, you can just long it and then come to here. If it's go around to this price level, something like 11. So if it's around 11, just long it. If it's around 19, then short it or sell it, as long as it's within the range. If it go above this range, then waiting for the pullback. It could have a 1 through 3 or ABC, like if you use additive wave theory. But before that, before it's picking up the directions, then you can just use this very narrow triangle, shrink triangle to do your simple trading. All right, that's all.